Hello everyone, ASR Trades here. Now I'm gonna have to keep this fan on because it is like very hot outside. Now I am gonna turn it off probably like 1 minute into the video. So if you wanna just skip until then, that'll be cool. But currently right now on C um okay 2 year and 5 year are up right now. I feel like that's kind of conflicting because it's only on point one, but they're up nonetheless. So I'm honestly just gonna be bearish right now. But I was looking at the market earlier and I was still bearish, and I was bearish earlier and new and so kind of having conflicting biases. Both of them are going up, so I might have to swap bullish right now. Let me see. Right, yeah, fill up candle out. Oh, I didn't even notice that. SMT to the upside. Yeah, SMT at the highs. We got an SMT, boom, boom, and then boom, boom. So I am gonna be bearish. Yeah, that's just confirmed bearish. I'm only saying bearish because unless we come up and complete and like sweep out these highs up here, then I'm just gonna stay bearish. But it's also Memorial Day, so it's only gonna be futures open today. But here, I'll turn that fan off now. Oh, it got so much hotter, bro. Oh my days, it's so hotter. Anyways, yeah, it's gonna be Memorial Day today, so yeah, liquidity might be a little bit thinner, but not gonna. What the big? That's probably the opening, gap we had on Nasdaq. But I'm honestly just gonna still be bearish, even though we're showing high bullish confluences right now. Our break structure to the upside on the 15 minute is right there. This is making me want to flip bullish though, because we did get this pre-market sweep with all these lows right here. I think I'll just trade continuation. I'm not gonna trade like the full thing today. Full like the first thing I see. I'm not gonna trade that today, only because it's Memorial Day and we're kind of having conflicting biases with the DXY having up candles and and futures also having up candles. And with that big opening gap down here, for me to be bullish, we're gonna have to break structure on the 15 minute, which it looks like we're gonna do right now. But we're also in a order block. I haven't used an order block in so long, dude. We're also in an order block. Actually, I don't even. Oh yeah, I'm kind of sick. My voice is kind of. I don't know how to say it, but my voice is kind of like. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but my voice is. I don't know. It's just like really bad. So if you hear me sniffling a little bit, that's my reason. If you hear me coughing, anything, I'm just sick. So yeah. Actually, it's not even an order block because we never even tapped into it. Actually, we did tap into the order block. Okay. So yeah, we are gonna have an order block. Now, for me to come in, we're gonna have to come all the way back down there, and then ultimately up candle out of it. Then I might come in, but that SMT is really writing me off. But then again, we are in a bearish market right now. We got equal highs up here. That's kind of giving us a little bit more confluence to the upside. So yeah, we're just gonna see what happens. We just poked our heads into the 15-minute order block. We're just going to see if we can come back down into here, or if we can come back down into here on MES, either one. Yeah, I'm going to pause the video for now so we don't get too long. I don't know if you guys want long videos or not with me just like sitting here talking probably about the market and stuff. But I'm kind of sick and I want to turn this fan back on because it's getting pretty hot. So I'm going to come back when market's like actually doing something. Okay, and we're back. Now, do I think I'm going to trade? Probably not today. Only because currently we have another SMT, but the last SMT never got completed. Well, technically we don't have an SMT anymore. We just haven't actually, yeah, we still have an SMT because those highs never got taken out. So I mean, I guess that SMT is still active. Do I think we're gonna go break structure to the downside on hourly? I honestly don't know because we have this opening for value gap right here. We have this on MES and MEQ, but if you go to DXY, we have an opening for value gap to the upside. But currently everything's making up candles right now. Nothing's making down candles. That just shows because normally it's gonna be either MES, MEQ making an up candle, DXY makes a down candle, or DXY makes an up candle, and the other two make a down candle. That's usually how it works. And if it's not how it works, then the economy's either really bullish, we're just gonna be really bullish for that day, which is happening today. But we also have these opening for value gaps, etc., that I do think we want to fill, but I don't know because we have an SMT to the upside. That's just giving us more clues, but we actually might sweep it out right now because if we go on a 15-minute, we have a for value gap down here to the downside. We honestly might fill this in. Complete that SMT, but also make another one. Have this one, you know, you get it? No? Okay. But yeah, that's just kind of what's going through my head right now. That's just what's going through my head right now. Yeah. Do I think that's gonna happen? Probably. It's probably gonna happen. We're just gonna have slip to the upside on MEQ, then we're just gonna start going down and filling in that candle. We'll see what happens. I'm honestly thinking I'm gonna look for shorts today. She said she liked to wear swag. My bad. Anyways, but for me to be able to look for shorts, I feel like we're gonna have to break structure on the 15-minute because this zone right here has too much reversal potential. Or if we get a break structure on the 5-minute, and then we create it for value gap, we fill it, down candle out of it, and we still haven't broke structured on the 15-minute, then I might come in. But if that doesn't happen, then I probably will not come in. Dude, my eyes been hurting all day, bro. This is so crazy. Never had this. I have, but like never like this. I've never been like sick like this before. Okay, I'm back. My phone died and it just kept falling, but I'm back. Now we did get a breaker structure to the downside, and what I'm currently looking for is just an entry. Now, it's looking like MES is going to be more bearish, but I'm looking for a retrace into this value gap right here. And if we don't get a retrace, I'm not coming in. I'll tell you that much. But if we do, I'll come in. If we don't get a retrace, I'm not coming in. Now it looks like an order block entry for this one is gonna be better than our value gap entry. But yeah, that's where I am right now. And if we don't come into that very top one, then I just will not come in. Literally easy as that. My phone fell again. My bad. Hold on. It's probably different because it's at a different camera angle as well. So I'm sorry if this is like different. I could change it. I could change it back. 1 second. I'll try it. This is for you guys. I don't know if this is better, but yeah, it keeps falling. I mean, maybe if you guys would stop. What even just happened? What did I just do? It's like my camera quality just messed up. Because I started it like this. Okay, we're just gonna keep it like this, guys. Okay, we're just gonna keep it like this, man. Because, yeah, we're just gonna keep it like this. You guys can get a little closer. All right, I do have something different on my shirt, by the way. I don't know if you guys noticed that or not. But yeah. Let's see if I can take it off real quick. I don't think it wants to come off. Yeah, it doesn't want to come off, guys. Sorry. Mind if it's off. Are you gonna come off or not? Okay. See, this is I like wearing this thing. Even though it's supposed to go on like a suit, I just like wearing it because it looks cool. Let's hope it doesn't poke me. Ew. 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 See, I can't get it back on, guys. Why do you guys make me take this off? JK. Alright, there we go. It's back on now. Okay, anyways. Yeah, we're just gonna need a retrace up into there. If we get the retrace, I'll come in. If we don't get the retrace, then no. Me no come in. No. Me no come in. Dang. That thing magnet was strong. Anyways. Yeah. I'm hoping we do get a retrace into there. If we don't, we don't. I'm just gonna pause the video for now, okay? I don't want it to get too long, then you guys just get bored out of nowhere. But yeah, it's gonna be. I gotta get a thumbnail real quick. All right. Yeah, I'm gonna pause the video, and yeah. Hello everyone, welcome back. I don't think I'm gonna find a trade or come. I don't think I'm gonna find a trade or come in. Don't worry about that. I don't know what was going on right there. Anyways, optimal trade today probably just would have been freaking short after this. Fill. I was looking for us to come back up into here, but I guess we just didn't have We just didn't have it, and that's totally fine. And I didn't come in today because I couldn't find a good enough because I couldn't find. Oh yeah, I was just asleep, by the way. I fell asleep in the chair. Yes, I did. Anyways, but yeah, I'm not gonna find a trade. Didn't trade today, but I'm still gonna upload this video because I haven't uploaded a video in a while. But yeah, it's gonna be that, guys, and I'm gonna be seeing you guys next time because I'll upload probably about 2 more times this week. So yeah.